It's Miss Perez and we're going to start with some workouts. First, we're going to start off with push-ups. We're going to do 2 different kinds. 10 regular push-ups. The second kind will be a push-up with a chest touch. Alright guys, now we're going to do squats. We're going to do 3 sets of 15. Okay, so the word of this week is discipline. Discipline is obeying what is right. And obeying what is right is making sure you do things as soon as you're told to do them. Right away is the right way. So how do you show discipline in class? Well, the first level of discipline is obedience. Let's show obedience in class by answering with a confident yes sir and yes ma'am and doing things as soon as you're told to. So how do you show discipline outside of class? Well, when your mom or dad asks you to do your chores, make sure you get them done right away. Alright, first we're going to talk about side kicks. So we're going to do number 1, number 2, and number 3, but we're going to be focusing on the preparation of the side kick. Okay? So no matter what side kick it is, 1, 2, or 3, you always have to remember you have to keep your hands up. So let's say I'm doing a number 2. Your front leg has to pivot out. You have to bring your back leg up into a chamber. When you're in the chamber, you want to make sure that your shoulders, hip, and foot are all aligned and your back is up straight. There should be no leaning because then you're going to lose all your power. Okay? Make sure that your chamber is flat like a tabletop and that your knee is pulled in all the way towards your chest. Okay, now we're going to do a few hand combos. We're going to do jab, jab, cross. You want to make sure your hands are up. You always have one hand at least up to your cheek and you're bouncing up and down. Okay? Let's do it for 1 minute. We're going to do the same hand combo, but now we're going to use footwork, okay? So what we're going to do is you're going to bounce up and down. You're going to go in, jab, jab, cross, and then bounce back out, okay? We're going to do that for 1 more minute. Alright, so we're going to review Sangam-1, but we're going to be focusing on stances, okay? So when you start Sangam-1, you're going to step out with your left foot, okay? You start high block. This is a front stance. When you do your front stance, make sure all 10 toes are facing forward, your front knee is bent so you can't see your toes, and your back leg is straight. From your high block, punch, hands up, front kick, low block, you're in another front stance, step up, punch. This is still front stance. You're going to start combo 2 of Sangam-1 by looking over your right shoulder, inner forearm block. Now you're in a middle stance, all 10 toes facing forward, knees equally bent, back straight, okay? Now you're going to put your hands up, step up, side kick, iya, hug, knife hand, you're still in the middle stance, and you're going to step forward, punch. This is your front stance again, but just facing the opposite way, all right? That's first half.